Loves, welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? Today I am doing this wig video. I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig together, and I just wanted to say that I am no professional, okay? I am just a girl trying to learn different things. So I said, what a beautiful idea to actually share it on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, please keep on watching. On that note, let's just get right into the video. I am in love with the packaging and I just wanted you guys to see it. Anyways, when you receive your package, it's going to come in this black beautiful box. When you open your box, you are going to have a hair care manual, which I really like because it gives you guidelines on how to take care of your hair. You are going to have your general information, your wash day, and styling. I'm using 28, 24, 20 inches and my lace front is 18 inches. Everything you need to know is going to be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. First thing first, we need to bleach our knots, our lace front. In order to do that, I am going to use my BW2 powder with the 40% developer. Yes, I am using a spoon. No, I do not drink tea or coffee with this spoon. So what you want to do, you want to mix the two together and you want to stir until the consistency looks like something on the screen. You don't want it to be too liquidy and you don't want it to be too solid because you don't want it to penetrate the lace. You really want to apply this like it's butter on bread, with care, with love and affection, because you don't want the bleach to get all over your hair. It's not going to be cute, so be really careful. Time to wash our baby, so you just want your lace to be fully drenched, and here I am utilizing my 2-inch shampoo. You can use whatever is available to you. My wig cap is from my local beauty supply. I really like this because it fits best with my head. You really want to find something that works well with you. You don't want your wig to be too small or too big. You just want it to be perfect. Hi auntie, it's about that time we saw our lace to our wig. In order to do that, we definitely need a thread and a needle. Okay, so what you want to do now is just place your lace front on top of your mannequin head, and it has to be up front. I don't know if it makes sense. Jesus, this is the time. I'm just like, how do people explain this? Honestly, I beg, just look at the video, okay, and you should be good. Oh my god guys, I almost forgot. It's really important that you measure the lace on your head first and then on the cap, so that you know where exactly to sew, because you want it to fit right. If you want those sideburns and you want all those baby hairs, you know, you don't want it to be too small. If it's too small, you can't do all those things. So be sure, take your time, measure it before you start sewing. Oh my gosh, we are done sewing our lace front, which I think is the hardest thing to do when making a wig. So congratulations for making it happen. It's time for us to lay our tracks down, which is the easiest in my opinion. So all you want to do is just sew in a circular motion. FYI, I do not cut my tracks. So what I do, once I've reached the end, I just turn the track back and I sew it in the opposite direction, so on and so forth. Alright boo, so sewing, it's going to take a little while, so just relax, watch your favorite TV show, I don't know, on Hulu, Netflix, Game of Thrones, The Get Down, whatever you have, just watch it. Be patient, okay? You got this. We're gonna get through it, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I just poured, my fingers were just like, please, I need to sleep, I need to rest. I know it can be a little challenging, but thank God, thank Jesus, we got to the middle point. And as soon as you hit that middle point, honey, you don't want to be sewing in a circular motion. No, or your hair is going to be bumpy, and we want our wig to be laid, okay? So you want to start sewing straight across. That's the goal. Let's do that. our last track down. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? This was like super quick and super fast. Yes. Okay, so the one trick that I have for this part is when you sew your track, your last track, you want it to sew with the lace. You want it to be very, very close, so we're not gonna have that gap. You know, when like you sew your wig or you see a person, you know, walking on the street and you can actually see that black hat. We don't want that. So sew your track really closely to your lace front, and I am going to demonstrate what I'm talking about, so just watch the video. Oh my god, we are done sewing our wig. How exciting this is. Congratulations again. I mean, this is amazing. It's a great feeling. So now we are going to customize our lace, which I think it's fun. So all we're gonna do is pluck, okay? This is crucial, guys. This is, if you didn't do anything right, you have to do this right, okay? Because it's the front of your head. It's just as important as your eyebrows. So what I do, I literally start plugging the very front of the wig as I part downwards and plucking and plucking. So that's what you want to do, and you just want to follow your hairline and you want it to be as natural as possible. It's important to try the hair on while plucking, so you don't plug too much. You already know if you do it too much, then you can't take it back. So it's safer to just put it on your head, see how it looks before you keep plucking. And I just want you to see the difference between the side that has been plucked and the side that hasn't. A huge difference. So take your time. This process takes a little while, but it's all worth it. Voila, it's time to put a wig on, girl. We did it. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I am simply putting my stocking cap on. If your cap is on, you want to remove the thicker area right in front of the stocking cap, so you want to cut that off. This is important because it's going to leave the wig looking seamless. I am just grabbing my best friend, okay, which is the Got To Be glue. I am using the yellow one. You can use whatever you want. I just feel like the yellow one has a stronger effect on the wig. So I'm just gonna apply it where I want my stocking cap to sit, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I'm gonna go over it until the glue is sticky or tacky. You want the glue to be tacky, and then you're gonna apply your stocking back on your head, and you're going to glue it onto your head. Okay, I can't talk. Alright, your stocking cap should be sitting pretty at this point. You should be all good, all set, ready to go. Now we are going to put our lace on, and you just want to repeat the same thing, the previous step. And once you're done doing that, don't be afraid to spend sometimes on your wig, okay? Because you don't want to be featured on the shade room because your wig fell off, okay? If you need to use that extra glue, please do so. If you want to go over with that blow dryer, do so, okay? Just secure your wig like you secure the bags. All right, loves, because of the video duration, I went off camera to prep and, slick my edges or whatever. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and everything that you are going to need is going to be in the description below. Be sure to check that out. And also let me know, would you guys be interested in a review about this hair? Make sure to comment down below and let me know. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like. All right, gang. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.